Hello, today I will walk you through the process of configuring your Windows 7 and Windows 8 computer to automatically log you in when you turn it on. Before I show you how to do this, I just want to talk a little bit about the benefits of automatically logging you in and also the cons of having your account automatically log in. So let's start with the benefits of having you automatically log in. Well, there's really only one: convenience. I want to be able to walk over to my PC, press the power button, and my computer boot directly to a desktop so I can start doing work. That's about it. It's just darn convenient to have my computer bring me to a desktop and not have to do the mundane task of using the keyboard and providing a password each time I turn it on. Let's talk, which brings me to some of the cons. Let's talk about some of the cons of having your computer log in automatically. Well, think about it. If I press my power button and it brings me to my desktop, well, that means that anyone who can press my power button can get into my desktop. And once they're in my desktop, they can get into my email, my files, my folders. So this is probably something that you don't want to set up on something, let's say, like a laptop. Something that you take with you, something that someone can steal or you leave unattended. Someone can just walk over, turn your computer off, turn it back on, and gain access to your files. So for something, setting this up in the home is fine, especially my home. My wife and I, we share the same computer, and we don't hide anything from each other. So using one login account or just being able to go over to the computer and turn it on, and she can see my files and I can see hers, is not a big deal. But if you live in a house with a lot of people and you're all using the same computer and you kind of have files and things that you don't want those other people seeing, maybe this isn't the thing to set up in your house. Okay, now that we discussed the pros and cons of setting up automatic login, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this both on Windows 7 and Windows 8. As you can see here, I have a Windows 8 PC on my left, and I have a Windows 7 PC here on the right. It's the same command to set this up on both Windows 8 and Windows 7. It's just where to go to input that command is a little bit different. I'm going to start with Windows 7. I'm going to log in. Oh, there we go. Windows 7's a little bit easier to get to where you need to input this command. You simply click on the Start button and bam, there it is. And the command that we want to use is called netplwiz. Let me go ahead and type that in. When I hit enter, it's going to take me to the user accounts box. I'm going to stop here. I'm going to move my attention over to Windows 8. Let me get logged into Windows 8 here. And again, I want to run that netplwiz command on Windows 8. To get to a run command in Windows 7 was easy. I just click on Start, and there it is. Windows 8, what I need to do is click on this little search button, and I want to search for the run command. And once you see the run command, you can click on that, and we can type in our netplwiz and click OK. Now let's take a look here. Here's Windows 8. Let me bring over Windows 7. Notice any similarities? They're pretty much the same thing. Actually, it is the same box. From here on out, it's easy. You do the same thing whether it be Windows 7 or Windows 8. First thing you want to do is click on the account that you want to have automatically log in. So I'm going to do that on 7. I'll do that on 8. The next thing you want to do, you see this users must enter a username and password to use this computer. You want to make sure that's unchecked. So I'm going to go ahead and uncheck that on Windows 8. And when I click apply, it's going to ask me for the password for that user account. In this case, it's learn. And you're going to have to type that in twice. Let's see. 1, to, hopefully I did that right, and click OK. I want to do the same thing for Windows 8 here. Apply, again, type in the password. And from here, click OK. And that's about it. Once you click OK, the next time I reboot either of these PCs, it will automatically log in using that username, and I won't have to do that arduous task of having to manipulate the keyboard and type in a password when I turn my computer on. Well, that concludes this video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please click the like, subscribe button. I greatly appreciate that. I'm going to be making more videos in the future. If you have any topics you would like me to cover, please leave your information in the comment down below. Thank you.